right now we have discussed some measures to control air pollution, and now we are going to discuss some measures to control water pollution. And there are some measures, there are some ways. So first is reduce the use of chemical fertilizer in farming. There are some fertilizers to increase the fertility of the soil which is added into the soil. But do you know, जब भी वो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स सोइल में ऐड किए जाते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जो भी वाटर वहाँ पे उसमें इरिगेशन के लिए दिया जाता है, दैट वाटर ऑल्सो कैन गेट पोल्यूटेड इफ वी ओवर यूज द फर्टिलाइजर्स. Fertilizers can be useful to us if they are used in limited quantity, but if they are overused, then obviously they will pollute our environment, they will pollute our water, soil, etc. So we should reduce the use of chemical fertilizers in farming. So next is don't use chemical soaps and detergents. Now आप तो obviously आप तो वहाँ पे जाके नहा के वगैरह something, कई ऐसे persons हैं, some people or some person used to bathe on the rivers or on the ponds or in the ponds, but there are some animals also. एनिमल्स भी हैं जिनको लोग अपने वहाँ पे अपने रिवर्स में पॉन्ड्स में क्या करते हैं, उनको बेथ कराने के लिए, उनको नहलाने के लिए लेके जाते हैं. एंड एट दैट टाइम दे यूज, एंड फॉर वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स ऑल्सो देयर आर सम लेडीज हु यूज टू गो एट द shore of the river or at the shore of the river or ponds, and they used to wash clothes there. And at that time they make use of chemical soaps and detergents, and because of that these chemical soaps or detergents get mixed into the water of the rivers. Because of that the water can get polluted. So here is a measure that we should follow, that is don't use chemical soap and detergents in rivers and ponds. Now next is prevent disposal of waste in rivers and sea. Prevent disposal means stop discharging the waste or stop disposal of waste into rivers and ponds. If we are throwing the waste into the rivers or ponds, obviously it is polluting the water. And as well as when this water is supplied to our homes, supplied to our houses, we used to drink this water only, and because of that we also can get infected. So prevent disposal of waste in rivers and seas. Now next is prevent constructions in coastal areas. What are the coastal areas? Coastal areas are those areas which are located on the seashore, on the coastline, and you know very well which is the coastline. In our India map, like this is our India map. So this part is called coastline, which is in V shape. Why? Because here is water body and here is water body, and they are located on the coast. They are located in the areas nearby coastal plains. So these are the coastal areas. So please stop constructing और stop construction work in coastal areas. So कि जैसे भी यहाँ पे construction work किया जाता है, तो जो भी material है that will get added into the water and it will pollute our water, also our natural resources. So next is prevent discharge of industrial effluents in the rivers. Industrial effluents mean industrial waste, we can say. Industrial waste में बहुत सारा कुछ waste है, बहुत सारा कचरा निकल जाता है, जिसको फैक्ट्रीज जो हैं वो क्या करती हैं, उसको वाटर में, रिवर्स में, पॉन्ड्स में उसे डिस्चार्ज कर दिया जाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आवर वाटर गेट पोल्यूटेड, एंड आफ्टर दैट our water is not be able to drink by us. So prevent discharge of industrial waste into the rivers. Now treat sewage before releasing it into the main drainage channel. Now what is treat sewage? सीवेज, आपको पता होगा सीवेज क्या होता है, with which mean the pipeline of our mean washrooms, toilets is connected, which is called mean sewers also. So that is the sewage. mean we should treat. कई बार ऐसे होता है कि कहीं पे जो सीवेज है उसमें से लीकिंग होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, हर जगह की स्मेल हो जाना, बहुत गंदी बदबू आने लग जाना, और फिर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट हैपेंस, जो पीपल है उन्हें भी क्या बीमारियां होने लगती हैं. यस, so treat sewage. We should treat sewage, so that sewage should be treated before releasing it into the main drainage channel. By doing these activities, we can conserve our environment, or we can control our water pollution. Now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is controlling soil pollution. Till now, up to now, we have discussed about controlling water pollution and controlling air pollution, and now we are going to discuss soil pollution and how can we control soil pollution. So first is prevent disposal of garbage in the open. If we dispose garbage in the open, obviously the soil, the land will be there, and because of that garbage, the soil can get polluted. Next is have separate bins. Mean there are two types of bins, dustbins, which should be followed by us, which should be used by us. Like first is biodegradable, and second is non-biodegradable. Biodegradable beans, and next is non-biodegradable beans. So biodegradable beans are those beans which has biodegradable waste. So what is biodegradable waste? Biodegradable waste is that waste that can be broken down by bacteria, and that can be broken down by the bacteria and absorbed by the soil. Okay, like we can say waste of plants or leaves. And next is non-biodegradable beans. Non-biodegradable beans are those beans which include such type of products, like we can say plastic, that cannot get decomposed easily, and which cannot be broken down by bacteria and can't be absorbed by the soil, and that is plastic. This is the difference. If we are going to throw some waste of our vegetables, of plants, of leaves, then we should use biodegradable beans. We should throw garbage in that bin. And non-biodegradable, we should throw plastic cans, something such these things we should throw in non-biodegradable beans. So next is build compost pits to dispose garbage. Pits होते हैं गड्ढे. So build such type of pits to dispose garbage के लिए गड्ढे बनाए जाए, और उसको फिर दबा देने के बाद क्या किया जाए, डाल देने के बाद उसको बंद कर दिया जाए, दबा दिया जाए. So what is compost? Compost is a mixture of the seed plants. अगर कहीं भी प्लांट्स को, लीव्स को कहीं पे भी अगर डिग कर दिया जाता है और उसको दबा दिया जाता है, बंद कर दिया जाता है, आफ्टर सम टाइम विल नोटिस दैट इट हैज चेंज्ड इनटू मैन्योर, व्हिच इज नोन एज खाद इन हिंदी. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई build compost pits to dispose garbage. Next is set up landfill sites out of the city. इस टाइप की साइट्स लैंडफिल, जहां गार्बेज लैंड के अंदर फिल कर दिया जाता है, बरी कर दिया जाता है, जला दिया जाता है उसे, that place should be outside of the city. What is the landfill? Landfill is the disposal of waste material by burying इट जलाकर उसको वेस्ट मटेरियल को डिस्पोज कर देना. दैट शुड बी आउटसाइड ऑफ द सिटी. आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि इस टाइप की चीजें इफ वी आर बर्निंग then obviously our environment will get polluted. So inside the city, if we are doing this, the people are also living there. They will also get some diseases by all these activities. So they should be situated outside of the city. The next is dispose biomedical waste under proper regulations. Biomedical, which is related to mean like medicines, injections, mean this type of waste should be disposed under proper regulations. Why? Because these medicines or whatever the chemicals are being used by in biomedical, because of that our soil will also get polluted where we will throw this waste. So dispose biomedical waste under proper regulations. So here these are some ways by which we can control our pollution. In what type of pollution? Soil pollution.